strange. We had just moved. My mother was close to giving birth to my little sister at the time. I explored around our new house. It was falling to pieces. One day I went out into the back garden and entered the garage. It was from that moment onwards that everything changed. I'd walked into the garage and instantly I felt something was watching me, spying on me. All I wanted was to know his name, and then he told me. Skellig, the fallen angel. I'd never believed in all those myths about men flying and having wings. I often wonder whether he brought us to this house. The connection he had with my sister was more than coincidental. He saved her life. The boy who flew too high died from the touch of the sun.
He was my friend, but I never really knew him.